Hi, this is Kyle from In-A-Day Development. Welcome to our store and recall video tutorial. Your calculator has 10 different numbered memory slots called registers. You can put numbers into these registers by using the STO or store button and retrieve numbers from them by hitting the RCL or recall button. Let's see how this works in practice. Say I've got a bunch of things I bought, 4 for $10, 3 for $5, 20 for $2. I type in 4 times 10 plus 3 times 5 plus 20 times 2 and hit equals. I see these things cost me a total of $95. I want to store this number for later, so I hit orange shift, store, and then I hit 1 to put this number into register 1. On the other hand, I sold a bunch of things I have right now and I worked a bit. I sold 5 things for $3 a piece, 10 things at $1 a piece, and I worked for 5 hours at $10 per hour. So I type in 5 times 3 plus 10 times 1 plus 5 times 10 and hit equals. I see that I brought in a total of $75 this week. I want to store this number for later as well, so I hit orange shift, store, and then I hit 2 to put this number into register 2. Then I do an unrelated problem, say 2 plus 2. Amazingly, this equals 4. My second grade math teacher will be so relieved. At this point, I want to see the numbers that I stored. I want to figure out how much richer or poorer I am now than I was last week. I hit RCL, then 2 to bring up the income I stored earlier. This grabs the value in register 2 and adds it to my equation. Then I hit minus, then RCL or recall 1 to bring up the amount I spent. The value from register 1 is added to my equation. Then I hit equals to see how much my net worth went up or down. Uh-oh, I spent $20 more than I made. Now let's say I could keep up this week's income level for 3 weeks and spend nothing more than I spent this week. So I hit recall 2, the times button, 3, then minus, recall 1, and equals. Wow, if I can keep up my work and sales at this week's rate and eliminate my expenses for the next 2 weeks, I'll have $130 more after 2 more weeks. As a side note, recall can also be used to recall the value from one of your TVM registers, for example N, AOIR, PV, PMT, or FV. Just tap recall and then PMT if you want to recall the value from your PMT register and add it to your equation. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about this example, please feel free to email us at theteam@inadaydevelopment.com.